What is your problem?
No, what is your problem? You haven't listened to me yesterday. You didn't even take out the chores and the trash.
Yeah, so what? I was too lazy playing Roblox.
Playing first, work last. Is this what's going to be from now on? Listen, I realized that you haven't been drinking water for weeks. All you drink is nothing but Pepsi and Coca-Cola. That's not gonna help your immune system.
Oh, what? Are you mentally insane?
Don't call me that. From now on, every after lunch and dinner, you'll be drinking water instead of those fizzy drinks. Even if you disagree, that's not gonna work. Do you understand?
Will you please not act too harsh on your brother like that? You're not even his dad.
But I wish I was.
Fine, that's it. I'm not listening to your pointless argument. I am out of here. Goodbye.
Hey, don't you dare leave.
Just leave it, Red.
Okay, so what we need is a barbecue to cook hamburgers for the whole family. What do you think? Penny, are you listening?
I can't listen a word from you right now, Terrence. I'm just laying down, relaxing and facing the sun. The weather is too beautiful and a bit hard to cope with the heat.
I think you're already heating up on the inside, aren't you?
Don't talk about my secret.
I do not. I'm just joking around, that's all.
Hey Grumps, we found your old barbecue and it still works.
Hey, that's my barbecue you're using. You just make me jealous.
Well, sorry mate. Go find somewhere else to cook.
Jordan. Michelle. What the hell am I gonna do with you both? I told you 1,000 times not to throw the soccer ball into my window. What kind of children am I raising here? If you do that again, I'll make sure you will both regret it. How many times do I have to say it before you get responsible for your actions?
Who the heck is that?
Just ignore it, Orange. He's just an angry neighbor.
Wait, guys, I think I know who that guy is.
Mate, what the hell are you talking about?
His name is Dr. Elliot Gustafson, or as I'd like to call him, Dr. Death. He encouraged people to inject themselves with succinium just to kill themselves and surrender to him to inherit his hospital's legacy, killing people with deadly medical weapons, and more. He lives not far from us.
Wait, what? You mean we live in the same street where this psychopathic doctor lives too?
Well, yes, I think so.
Oh my God!
A mai nap másik híre, hogy Elliot Gustafson orvost kirúgták a Jósa András oktatókórházból, mert azt vádolják, hogy gyógyíthatatlan betegeket segített elaltatni. Elliot nem tudott nyilatkozni a botrányról, és bocsánatkérését sem fejezte ki. Elliot volt a felelős azért, hogy szukszametónium túladagolással meggyilkolta pácienseit, és testszerveket lopott el hajléktalan gyerekektől és más nyíregyháziaktól. További részletek a program későbbi részében.
Oh my gosh, that is so scary. I mean, what kind of doctor would do that?
No wonder he was called Dr. Death.
Are you two watching? Don't tell me this is about Dr. Death again.
He was doing more than just killing people, Dad. The news said that Elliot was stealing body organs from homeless children and other people across the city.
What? That is horrible.
That's what I said. Look, why can't we just move out of this house and move somewhere else? We don't want to live in a street where a psychopathic doctor lives. He's freaking me out.
Really? We have to move out over that stupid doctor. Oh, come on. He hasn't even stepped inside our home yet.
True, but if you look more closely at his personal life, you can see that Elliot has been abusive to his children.
See? Elliot is a creep.
Whatever. Just leave me alone and let me live a life for once.
Excuse me, sir? Wait a minute, are you?
Enjoying a donut? Yeah, I have done that while I was in the hospital, you know. Oh, you must be yellow, right? I'm Dr. Elliot.
Pleasure to.
You have no idea what I am capable of. Don't push me.
Are you alright?
I don't know. That evil creep tried to kill me.
Wait a minute. Are you talking about Dr. Death?
Yes, call the police quickly.
Okay,
So this is one of the houses that you are looking at right now. If you don't like it, we will take your money back. Well, what do you think?
Not bad. At least I got a proper garage and a shed to go along with it. So how much does this house cost?
Well, nothing. This house is 100% free, and we built it for you. How's that for a new home?
No way. A free house with free furniture. That is so cool. I can't wait to move in. Don't mind if I do.
Surprise, loser.
What the? How did you get in?
What do you think, you fool? Die?
What have you done? You freaking shot me. Please help me.
Like hell I will. I'd rather watch you die like everyone else, and then I'll take your soul away. Because that is exactly what I intend to do.
Guys, change the channel right now. There's a news flash going on.
Ez egy rendkívüli hírközlemény. A rendőrség a Margit utca 53. szám alatti házban történt lövöldözés helyszínén nyomoz néhány perccel ezelőtt. Jelenleg nem sokat tudunk a történtekről, de a rendőrség azt állította, hogy a házat ingyen vásároló férfit a nappaliában lőtték mellkason. Úgy gondolják, hogy a lövöldözőt Elliot Gustafsonként azonosították. A rendőrség új lenyomatleolvasást is végzett az Elliot-féle fegyveren. Elliot ellen is hajtóvadászat indult.
Oh, get off. I wasn't raised in a Hungarian family, you know.
Shut up, Dad. Stop eating that damn popcorn.
Wait a minute, did I hear right? Hal's being shot?
I don't know. He could be.
Hal, I'm coming.
Brains. Brains. I want your brains.
What the hell do you want from me?
What are you doing in here? How'd you get in here?
What do you think? Do you realize that you betrayed me? Why do you think we divorced in the first place?
Because you murdered your patients by helping them to die. You were a creep and I didn't want to see you again, so that's why we went to court together to sign the divorce papers.
I did not agree with this selfish stunt. What I want to agree with is that I love treating patients like they were tortured in hell. And that's where you should belong too. All I want is revenge, that's all. Revenge against those that turned against me, especially you. Remember that time we worked together in the hospital? It felt too good, until I was sacked, and you left the job to become a furry scientist.
Don't you dare call me that! I'm calling the police!
Tell them, and you'll go the way of Orange.
What are you talking about? What have you done to Upland?
He got what he deserved. I pretended to be a zombie and killed him. Oh, please? Surely you can't get away.
Hey, my eyes. My freaking eyes.
Arch! Alright, Drake! Come on, man, you can't do this to me! I saw Orange. Because working with Elliot isn't safe for me. So I told the hospital to fire him for what he's done. And they did. I wish this sick man could go to prison for everything he's done.
There. I'm sure he'll get thrown to prison eventually. Oh no, you don't. You're not going anywhere near her again. Leave her alone.
Chill out, sis. It's not that furry scientist I want, it's you.
Me? What do you want me for?
Don't be such a fool, girl. Take that shell off. I want to know exactly what you are.
You're going to undress Pain. What were we thinking?
It's the only way to break her shell. I'd rather throw her across the wall and crack until she becomes a dear girl.
Elliot, don't you dare do this to me. Rick could be home at any minute. The first thing he will see is you taking my shell off. And let's face it, it's uncomfortable.
Then at least give me a hammer and smash your shell with it.
I swear, Elliot, I will call the police right now. Don't make me do it, because I will.
You wouldn't dare.
Megvagy. Elliot Gustafson számos testi sértés miatt letartóztatják.
This was all your fault, woman. I hope you're dead for this. Get off me.
I just don't understand how this happened. How could that psycho get into my house and try to kill me? He's just as bad as I thought. If I die now, I wouldn't be here. I'm just happy that you are there for me, though.
Well, on the bright side, at least Orange and Hal will make it after all.
Yeah, let's celebrate.